What's up, guys? Sammy with Evolve Podcasting. I wanted to show you one of my simple plugins that I love using that helps me mainline YouTube videos, not just get the content, but make it really relevant to what I need to learn for either myself or our company. So, one of my main things I use is a YouTube plugin. It's a YouTube summary. But what's great about this is by a company called Glasp. And the cool thing it does is it gives you the opportunity to summarize videos using ChatGPT, Claude, Opus, Gemini, but you pick which LLM you want to use. So I'll go here and I'll say ChatGPT 5. And one of the videos I love listening to is Kevin Michael with Grow the Show. And he has incredible videos that I love to use. And the reason I love Kevin is he has been the godfather of coaching podcasters for me for the last 4 or 5 years. I've listened to his stuff religiously. I love how he takes the the hard part of podcasting and simplifying it. So what I'll do is I will go to his videos. Not only will I watch them, but when I really need to get the information and have it stick, is I'll go here and I'll take it into the YouTube summary. I'll open that up in ChatGPT, and what it'll do, you'll see it will summarize the whole video for you. It'll break it down into the points, which is amazing. But what I like to do, this is the advanced ninja hack, is even though it's going to give you the timestamps, 5 to 10 bullets, what I like to do is I like to go in, I then use Whisper Flow, because you always want to use Whisper Flow. And then I will say, knowing me and my company with Evolve Podcasting, all the incredible people that we are coaching and teaching on growing their show, what is the most relevant things I need to learn from this video, and how do I use the information in this video to coach and teach our clients and team more effectively? And then I will use that prompt inside of ChatGPT to really get the juice of this video. And what's great about that is it'll also really show me the biggest takeaways. So you can see right here, this totally told me just from Kevin's video, this one video right here, interviews don't grow your podcast unless you do this. So basically what he said is you need to learn the following: the real core insights, the shift you must coach on, which is all true, the title, the thumbnail, the topic framing, and the hook. How you use this to coach better. You push clients to create 2 content lanes, teach clients the 3-second test, shift them from guest centric to topic centric. This is great. So, as you can see, I used one plugin to make all this content from that one video. This is my favorite thing. Now, that is a company called Glasp Inc. And that is where I got that plugin. So you're going to want to use that. It's called Glasp, and you put this as a Chrome extension. So if you're interested in seeing that and want to learn more about it, just follow me for more tips on how to make your podcast and your podcast journey that much easier. And we'll see you on the other side.